Figs, Ficus spp, are one of the oldest cultivated fruits, deeply rooted in human history and agriculture. Belonging to the Moraceae family, they are known for their unique structure, sweet taste, and rich nutritional profile. Originating from the Mediterranean and Western Asia, figs have been grown for thousands of years and are now cultivated in various regions worldwide. Their adaptability to different climates and soil conditions has contributed to their widespread cultivation. Figs are not true fruits, but rather ciconia, hollow, fleshy structures that contain numerous tiny flowers inside, which later develop into seeds. Historically, figs have held significant cultural, religious, and medicinal importance. They are frequently mentioned in ancient texts, including the Bible, the Quran, and Greek mythology, often symbolizing abundance, fertility, and wisdom. Ancient Egyptians and Romans valued figs not only as a food source, but also for their medicinal properties. They were used in traditional medicine to treat various ailments, such as digestive disorders, skin infections, and respiratory issues. The fig tree itself was revered in many cultures, with some considering it sacred. Today, figs remain an important part of many diets, appreciated for their rich flavor, health benefits, and versatility in culinary applications. Their long history and continued relevance in both traditional and modern contexts highlight their enduring significance. Figs, Ficus spp, belong to the Moraceae family, which includes over 800 species of trees, shrubs, and vines. The most commonly cultivated species, Ficus carica, is a deciduous tree known for its edible fruit. Other fig species, such as Ficus benghalensis, banyan, and Ficus religiosa, sacred fig, are culturally and ecologically significant. The classification of figs places them in the kingdom Plantae, order Rosales, and genus Ficus, a group renowned for its complex pollination system and ecological importance. The fig tree is a medium-sized plant that typically grows between 3 to 10 meters in height, though some species can reach greater heights. It has a distinctive gnarled trunk and smooth grayish bark. The leaves are large, lobed, and rough-textured, providing a broad canopy that offers shade in warm climates. One of the most fascinating aspects of fig morphology is its fruit, which is not a true fruit, but a syconium, a specialized structure that encloses hundreds of tiny flowers inside. These flowers mature into small seeds, giving figs their characteristic crunchy texture. The tree produces a milky latex that plays a role in protecting it from pests and infections. Figs thrive in warm, temperate, and subtropical regions, requiring well-drained soil and plenty of sunlight. They are highly adaptable and can grow in poor soil conditions, though they prefer loamy, nutrient-rich soil with a neutral to slightly alkaline pH. While they can withstand drought conditions, consistent moisture helps improve fruit quality and yield. Fig trees can be propagated through seeds, cuttings, or grafting, with cuttings being the most common method due to its reliability. They are often cultivated in orchards, home gardens, and agroforestry systems, where they contribute to biodiversity and soil conservation. Proper pruning and pest management are essential for ensuring healthy growth and optimal fruit production. Figs come in a variety of cultivars, each with distinct characteristics in terms of color, flavor, and texture. Among the most well-known varieties is the Black Mission fig, which has dark purple to black skin and a rich, sweet taste, making it a popular choice for both fresh consumption and drying. Kadota figs, on the other hand, have pale green to yellow skin and a milder sweetness, often used in preserves and canned products. The Smyrna fig, primarily grown in Turkey, requires pollination by a specialized fig wasp and is famous for its use in dried fig production due to its robust flavor and chewy texture. The Adriatic fig, with its light green skin and pink interior, is another widely cultivated variety, favored for fresh eating and drying due to its high sugar content. Figs are grown in many parts of the world, with production concentrated in regions that offer warm, dry summers and mild winters. The Mediterranean region, including countries like Turkey, Greece, Italy, and Spain, is one of the largest producers, with Turkey being the leading exporter of dried figs. In the Middle East, Iran and Egypt also contribute significantly to global fig cultivation. Outside of these traditional growing areas, figs are cultivated in parts of North and South America, particularly in California, Brazil, and Argentina. In Asia, India and China have emerging fig industries, while Australia also grows figs on a smaller scale. The adaptability of fig trees to different climates and soil conditions has allowed their expansion beyond their native range, making them a valuable crop in both commercial agriculture and home gardens worldwide. Figs are highly nutritious fruits, providing a rich source of carbohydrates, dietary fiber, and essential micronutrients. Their natural sweetness comes from their high carbohydrate content, primarily in the form of natural sugars such as glucose and fructose. This makes them an excellent source of quick energy, especially in dried form, where the sugar concentration is significantly higher. While figs contain only a small amount of protein and fat, they offer a balanced nutrient profile that supports overall health. The low-fat content, combined with their naturally occurring sugars, makes them a healthy alternative to processed sweets. In addition to their macronutrient content, figs are packed with vitamins and minerals essential for various bodily functions. They are particularly rich in potassium, which helps regulate blood pressure and maintain heart health. Calcium and magnesium are also present in significant amounts, contributing to bone strength and muscle function. Figs contain moderate levels of iron, which supports red blood cell production, and they provide vitamin K, which plays a role in blood clotting and bone health. Although fresh figs have a higher water content and slightly lower nutrient density than dried figs, both forms are valuable additions to a nutritious diet. One of the most important health benefits of figs comes from their high fiber and antioxidant content. The dietary fiber in figs aids digestion, promotes gut health, and helps regulate blood sugar levels. This makes them beneficial for individuals managing diabetes or digestive disorders. Additionally, figs contain polyphenols and flavonoids, which act as powerful antioxidants, protecting cells from oxidative stress and inflammation. These compounds contribute to overall wellness by supporting immune function and potentially reducing the risk of chronic diseases such as heart disease and cancer. The combination of fiber, essential minerals, and antioxidants makes figs not only a delicious fruit, but also a valuable component of a healthy diet. Figs offer numerous health benefits, with one of the most notable being their positive impact on digestive health. Their high fiber content supports regular bowel movements, preventing constipation and promoting overall gut health. The natural prebiotic properties of figs help nourish beneficial gut bacteria, contributing to a balanced microbiome. This, in turn, enhances digestion, nutrient absorption, and immune function. The presence of enzymes such as phycin further aids in breaking down food, improving digestion, and alleviating digestive discomfort. In addition to their digestive benefits, figs are rich in antioxidants and possess strong anti-inflammatory properties. They contain polyphenols, flavonoids, and carotenoids, which help neutralize harmful free radicals in the body, reducing oxidative stress. This antioxidant activity plays a crucial role in preventing cell damage, slowing down aging processes, and lowering the risk of chronic diseases. The anti-inflammatory compounds in figs may also help reduce symptoms of inflammatory conditions such as arthritis and support overall immune function. Figs are beneficial for heart health and blood sugar regulation, making them a valuable addition to a balanced diet. Their high potassium content helps regulate blood pressure by counteracting the effects of sodium, reducing strain on the cardiovascular system. Additionally, the soluble fiber in figs aids in lowering cholesterol levels, reducing the risk of heart disease. Although figs contain natural sugars, their fiber content slows the absorption of glucose into the bloodstream, preventing rapid spikes in blood sugar levels. This makes them a suitable fruit for individuals managing diabetes when consumed in moderation. Emerging research also suggests that figs may have potential anti-cancer properties due to their rich antioxidant profile. Certain compounds found in figs, such as benzaldehyde and flavonoids, have shown promise in inhibiting the growth of cancer cells in laboratory studies. The presence of bioactive compounds that help reduce inflammation and oxidative stress further supports their potential role in cancer prevention. While more research is needed to confirm these effects in human studies, incorporating figs into a diet rich in fruits and vegetables may contribute to overall health and disease prevention. Figs are a versatile fruit that can be enjoyed both fresh and dried, each offering a unique taste and texture. Fresh figs are soft, juicy, and mildly sweet, making them a delightful addition to a variety of dishes. They have a delicate skin that encases a vibrant, seed-filled interior, providing a pleasing contrast in texture. However, due to their high moisture content, fresh figs are highly perishable and have a short shelf life. In contrast, dried figs are more concentrated in flavor and sweetness, with a chewy texture that makes them ideal for long-term storage. Drying enhances their natural sugar content, making them a convenient and nutritious snack or ingredient in both sweet and savory recipes. Throughout history, figs have been an essential part of traditional cuisine in many cultures. They have been used in Middle Eastern, Mediterranean, and South Asian cooking for centuries, often incorporated into bread, pastries, and stews. In modern culinary applications, figs are increasingly used in gourmet dishes, adding natural sweetness and depth of flavor. They pair well with cheeses, nuts, and cured meats, making them a popular choice for charcuterie boards and appetizers. Additionally, figs are used in salads, grain bowls, and roasted meat dishes, where their subtle sweetness balances out savory and acidic flavors. Beyond their use in main dishes, figs are widely incorporated into beverages, desserts, and preserves. They can be blended into smoothies, steeped into herbal teas, or used to infuse flavor into wines and liqueurs. In desserts, figs are a key ingredient in cakes, tarts, and pastries, often combined with honey, nuts, and spices to create rich and flavorful treats. Fig preserves and jams are also widely produced, offering a natural way to enjoy their sweetness year-round. Whether eaten fresh, dried, or cooked into various dishes, figs provide a unique and nutritious addition to the culinary world. Figs have played a significant role in traditional medicine for centuries, with their therapeutic properties being recognized in various ancient healing systems. In Ayurveda, the ancient Indian system of medicine, figs are valued for their ability to balance the body's energies, particularly aiding digestion and respiratory health. They are often used to alleviate constipation, promote gut health, and improve overall vitality. In traditional Chinese medicine, figs are believed to strengthen the spleen and stomach, nourish the lungs, and relieve coughs and sore throats. Their natural sweetness and high fiber content make them a preferred remedy for conditions related to digestive sluggishness and energy imbalances. Beyond their role in structured medical systems, figs have been widely used in herbal remedies and natural treatments across different cultures. Their high mucilage content makes them effective in soothing inflamed mucous membranes, which is why they are often recommended for respiratory conditions such as bronchitis and asthma. A traditional remedy involves boiling dried figs in water or milk to create a soothing tonic for cough relief and throat irritation. Additionally, figs have been applied as poultices to treat skin conditions, including abscesses, wounds, and inflammatory skin disorders, due to their antimicrobial and anti-inflammatory properties. In natural treatments, figs are commonly used to support digestive health and overall well-being. The laxative properties of figs are well known, with both fresh and dried figs being used to relieve constipation and promote regular bowel movements. They are also believed to aid in detoxification, supporting liver function and overall metabolic health. Some traditional practitioners recommend fig-infused water or fig paste for individuals suffering from fatigue or weakness, as figs provide a natural source of energy and essential nutrients. Whether consumed as food or used in external applications, figs continue to be an important component of herbal medicine, valued for their numerous health benefits. Fig farming plays a crucial role in the economies of many countries, particularly in regions with suitable climates for cultivation. As one of the oldest cultivated fruit crops, figs are widely grown for both fresh and dried consumption, contributing significantly to local and international trade. Turkey is the leading producer and exporter of figs, especially dried figs, which are highly valued in global markets. Other major producers include Egypt, Iran, Morocco, Spain, and the United States, particularly California, which is known for its high-quality fig varieties. The demand for figs has been increasing due to their nutritional benefits and use in a variety of food products, including baked goods, preserves, and health foods. Fig farming not only provides livelihoods for farmers, but also supports industries involved in processing, packaging, and distribution. Despite their economic importance, fig cultivation presents several challenges, particularly in managing pests, diseases, and adapting to climate change. Fig trees are susceptible to various pests, including the fig wasp, which plays a crucial role in pollination but can also introduce fungal infections. Other common pests include fig beetles, aphids, and nematodes, which can damage leaves and fruits, affecting yield and quality. Diseases such as fig mosaic virus, root rot, and fungal infections like botrytis can further threaten fig production, requiring careful management through organic and chemical control methods. Climate adaptation is another major challenge for fig farming, as changes in temperature and rainfall patterns can impact fruit production. Figs thrive in warm, dry climates with well-drained soil, and extreme weather conditions such as prolonged droughts or unexpected frosts can significantly reduce yields. Sustainable agricultural practices, including efficient irrigation, soil management, and the development of climate-resilient fig varieties, are essential to maintaining fig production in the face of changing environmental conditions. Farmers and researchers continue to work on improving cultivation techniques to ensure the long-term viability of fig farming and meet the growing global demand for this nutritious and versatile fruit. Figs play an important role in sustainable agriculture and agroforestry, contributing to environmental conservation and biodiversity. Fig trees are well-suited for agroforestry systems, where they can be integrated with other crops to improve soil fertility, prevent erosion, and provide shade. Their deep root systems help stabilize soil, making them valuable in areas prone to desertification and land degradation. Additionally, fig trees require relatively low inputs in terms of water and fertilizers, making them a sustainable crop for farmers in arid and semi-arid regions. Their ability to grow in diverse conditions, including rocky or marginal lands, allows them to support ecosystems while providing food and economic benefits. One of the most fascinating aspects of fig biology is their mutualistic relationship with fig wasps, which play a crucial role in their pollination. Each species of fig has a specific species of wasp that pollinates it, creating a highly specialized and interdependent relationship. The wasps enter the fig fruit to lay their eggs, simultaneously pollinating the tiny flowers inside. This process ensures both the reproduction of the fig tree and the survival of the wasp species. This unique system highlights the importance of maintaining ecological balance, as disruptions to fig wasp populations can impact not only fig production, but also the numerous animal species that rely on figs as a food source. Conservation efforts are essential to protecting fig trees and preserving their genetic diversity. With climate change and habitat destruction threatening many fig species, researchers and conservationists are working to protect wild fig populations and ensure the resilience of cultivated varieties. Efforts include maintaining seed banks, promoting sustainable harvesting practices, and restoring degraded landscapes where fig trees naturally thrive. Additionally, genetic studies aim to identify traits that can enhance drought tolerance, pest resistance, and adaptability to changing environments. By preserving the diversity of fig species and their ecosystems, these conservation initiatives support not only agriculture, but also broader ecological stability, ensuring that figs continue to play their vital role in nature and human livelihoods. Figs are an ancient and valuable fruit, with a rich history, diverse varieties, and significant nutritional and medicinal benefits. Their widespread cultivation and adaptability to different climates have made them an important agricultural commodity, while their unique botanical characteristics, including their mutualistic relationship with fig wasps, contribute to ecological sustainability. Figs provide essential nutrients, including fiber, vitamins, and antioxidants, supporting digestive health, heart health, and overall well-being. Their versatility in culinary applications, from fresh consumption to dried products and preserves, further highlights their importance in global diets. Additionally, their role in traditional medicine has been recognized for centuries, with ongoing research supporting their potential health benefits, including anti-inflammatory and anti-cancer properties. Despite their benefits, challenges remain in fig cultivation, including susceptibility to pests and diseases, climate change impacts, and the need for sustainable farming practices. Addressing these challenges requires continued research into pest-resistant varieties, improved irrigation techniques, and climate-resilient farming methods. Conservation efforts are also crucial in protecting wild fig species and preserving genetic diversity to ensure long-term sustainability. Future research on figs could explore their bioactive compounds in greater detail, potentially leading to new pharmaceutical and nutraceutical applications. Additionally, studies on enhancing fig cultivation through modern agricultural techniques, such as precision farming and genetic improvement, could help increase yields and adapt to changing environmental conditions. As consumer awareness of health and sustainability grows, figs will likely continue to gain popularity as a nutritious and eco-friendly food source. By integrating traditional knowledge with modern science, figs can remain a valuable resource for both human health and environmental conservation. Thank you for watching our video. We hope you found it informative and engaging. If you enjoyed the content, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more updates. Your support helps us bring you more valuable insights. See you in the next video.